Dave, I'm going to throw it over to you at NASA. You cited a couple. I know there's a lot of just absolutely fantastic things going on there. You want to shine the light on another one?
Yeah, I can do that, Luke. Thank you. I'll talk about another one in the area of air traffic management.
Mm.
So we're certainly using AI as it relates to looking at the national air traffic system and looking at capacity opportunities to increase capacity, but also efficiency. So if you think about routing of air traffic and you think about, learning, looking at all of the history of air traffic and the delays and the on-time arrivals and the flow patterns and so on, putting that all into a model, learning from that, and then being able to recommend departure times between a departure location and a destination that would optimize and reduce the potential of a delay. So we have that data. We're actually doing experimentations right now with the FAA using this work. And what we're finding is that let's take logistics, for example, where we move a lot of packages using aircraft. We're able to move more packages more efficiently in fewer flights because of the optimization in the routing. And of course, that has a climate benefit as well. So when you think about fewer aircraft traveling, less fuel consumption, less carbon emissions, other environmental impacts, and so on, cost implications. So those efficiencies are now starting to be returned within the National Air Traffic System. Also understanding flow patterns as it relates to, it's one thing to understand all of the commercial traffic flow because it's all on a flight plan. But then also, how do you deal with, let's say, some of the general aviation flow that is not necessarily on a flight plan? The pilot that might go out with their Cessna and just make a general flight from location A to B, and what does that look like, and what are those trends, and how might that affect the system? And then, of course, there's a lot of UAS systems that are starting to emerge. So there's a dire need for us to look at our air traffic control system, modernize it, and be able to accommodate the increases that we expect between both aircraft that are piloted and those that are unpiloted.